is my stuff I got from Alex Tabletop. I'll leave a link in below. I bought this off him, and there's no box there. So what we'll do is we'll do this box first, and then that's a dreamy drop on my phone. Put that box down there. Push the camera down. So it's a bit wonky, and then get this bad boy open. So see you tomorrow morning, and oh, that's me picking my phone up. Right, and I'll tell you what the temperature is actually in good old England. And there comes the cat. So our little kitten, Shadow, and the temperature in England today is, I can find my weather app. Yeah, we know, my old friend. There we go, 27 degrees where I'm in Berlin. And I get a cat wants to join in, so let's get this open. So we're getting it wrapped in that. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Sorry about this. The cat wants to go over the birthday. Not a good idea, cat. That's the cat knocked my phone over again. Okay. There we go. Whew. He put some little sweets in. It's well cool. So I got these. So here's some in the box. Whoop, not the camera. Yeah, unassembled actually. So they're quite funky actually. I've not got these, I've got the old ones I think. The old metal one. So we do that. A bit of tape there. Oh, there's me knocking the camera again, sorry about that. A Necron Lord there. That's quite cool. A bit rusted up. It's quite mad. I'll have to strip that I think. There's a lot of base on it, so it's quite cool. And we've got some warriors. What I'll do is actually I'll put all these out. I don't know, I might keep that, got that actually. That's quite mad. Right. Scarabs. There you go, so that's all them there, and then obviously the laser guns, so just put all them back in the box. By the way, they're quite cool. And then the other one, the cat's side to sit on. This out off camera. So this bad boy here. So it's quite cool. It's in here then. Oh, look at that. That's empty. The base is there. So some arms, more legs. Some arms, more legs. So how many is that? That's another 4. Another, that's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 again. And then this is the arc, I think. Yeah, and that's the big bit at the back. And then clear base for it, instructions, so transfers, instructions to put them in, and then the instructions for the big arc thing. So I've never built one of these, it's quite cool. Oh cool, they've all got the guns in now. So that's quite cool. So you can build 2 out of this, I think. You can build 1. They're on the box at the back here, you can't see it. That one there, with the men in. Or you can build one without men in. I'll decide. Fortunately I didn't get the index for the codex, for the Necrons, so you can build that one there without the men in, and that is Necron Doom Arc. Or you can build one with the gun in, one with people in, and that one is, it didn't say. Says 4, I don't know what that one is. Anyway, but if anyone knows which one the better one is in the new 8th edition, let us know. So I'm quite chuffed with it. Stop eating cats from eating all the little men down on the floor. So thanks for watching, and you'll probably see these later in a later video, and I'll leave a link for Alex below. Thanks a lot, mate. Much prized. Even the cat's enjoying the bubble wrap. So I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.